Hey, what's up you guys? It's Tal coming at you with another Christmas video. Today I'm so excited to tell you that this video has been sponsored by the University of Glasgow. They've sent me a Christmas package which I'm going to unbox and share my reaction to with you guys. You can claim yours too if when you're applying via UCAS you use this code or go to the trouble of writing your own personal statement. First impressions, the packaging is lovely. The glitter does come off on your hand a little bit but it leaves a lovely shimmer. It's so attractive, really promising, and I love the bow. I just think it's so cute. It's got some writing on it. Let's undo it and see what that... Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm noticing is the absolutely beautiful tissue paper that's packed. Well, it's actually just tissues, like a lot of tissues. Maybe I'll need those for something later. I guess I'll find out. So the gift itself seems to be a stack of paper. This is like it's a voucher of some sort or like maybe some kind of competition. Okay, dear candidates, I wonder what I could win. Please print your name and student ID number in the provided form. Okay, this is so exciting. Answer the following 40 multiple you have two this counts for 50% fun. Oh, this is an exam. Oh, this is an exam.